Retouching tools. The retouching tools in Adobe Photoshop CC allow us to repair damaged images or apply repeated patterns. Let us discuss some of the retouching tools. Spot Healing Brush Tool. We can remove or repair the spots, scratches, or even objects from an image by using the Spot Healing Brush tool. It is also known as Texture Replacement tool. To use the Spot Healing Brush tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image to be repaired. Step 2. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Now, adjust the following settings on the options bar. Brush size. Adjust the size and hardness of the brush by clicking on the slider. Mode. Set the mode to normal. Type. Choose the content aware, create, texture, or proximity match. Content aware works in the similar way as content aware fill does, but in a particular area only. Create texture will add texture from the surrounding area. Proximity match will look at everything in the vicinity and decide what texture should be inside the brush. Sample all layers. Check on Sample all layers if working with 2 layers only. One is the original image and other is New Layer for editing. Click over the spots to remove errors. Healing Brush Tool. We can use the Healing Brush tool for repairs, such as eliminating scratches and dust from the images. It picks the clone areas from an image and blends the pixels from the sampled area with the target area. To use the Healing Brush tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image to be repaired. Step 2. Select the Healing Brush tool from the Spot Healing Brush tool menu. Step 3. Now adjust the following settings on the options bar. Brush size and mode. Adjust the size and mode of the brush by clicking on the slider. Sources. Choose Sampled or Pattern. Sampled is used to set the pixels from the current image. Pattern is used to set the pattern from the pattern picker palette. Aligned. It is used to select the sample pixels continuously without losing the current sampling points, even if we release the mouse button. Sample. Set sample to current, current and below, or all layers so it will pull the pixels from the base layer. Step 4. Press Alt key and click on the image to define point to be edited. Step 5. Click and drag on the image area that we want to retouch. Patch tool. The patch tool is used for retouching and repairing the selected area of the images from another area of the image. It is primarily used to repair larger areas of an image or get rid of any distractions or blemishes. To use the patch tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image to be repaired. Step 2. Right-click on the Spot Healing Brush tool. Select the patch tool. Step 3. Choose the source or destination mode in the options bar. After choosing it, we can find a preview of an image while dragging. Step 4. Drag to the selected area that we want to replace or correct with the destination area or pattern. Step 5. Drag and drop the selection onto the repair source area. The originally selected area is patched with the repaired source area. Content Aware Move tool. Content Aware Move tool is used to select and move a part of an image. The image is recomposed and the hole left behind is filled using matching elements from the image. We do not need to carry out intensive edits involving layers and complex selections. To use Content Aware Move tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open an image in which we want to move an object from one place to another. Step 2. Right-click on the Spot Healing Brush tool. Select the Content Aware Move tool. Step 3. Now set the following settings on the options bar. Mode. It contains 2 options, Move and Extend. Move is used to seamlessly move the objects in the image. Extend is used to copy the object, scale and rotate the object, expand and contract the object using new layers. Step 4. Now select the area of the image that we want to move. Step 5. Click and drag the object to new location and drop it. Photoshop automatically manages the blank area by replacing with the surrounded background area and merging the object in the new area. Red Eye Tool. The Red Eye tool in Photoshop CC is made specifically to eliminate the appearance of red eye. If we are taking photos at a party, at night, or in another situation where there is low light, the flashlight of the camera is reflected from the eye retina and the camera captures this as a red eye. To use the Red Eye tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image we want to edit. Step 2. Right-click on the Spot Healing Brush tool. Select the Red Eye tool. Step 3. Click on the red eye over the image. The red eye will be removed.